hop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shiesty. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very
So, my grease just came. Yay! I'm so excited. I love how she packaged it and everything. Styles by Aisha over there on IG. Yes, baby girl. I'm so glad you actually mentioned it to me. And I decided to patronize your business. I love it. I put it into my daughter's hair. I rub it through all her little creases and parts. And then I will go ahead and I put it on my hand, like lotion, and rub it throughout the whole hair. So my personal intake on this product is not too greasy. It's the right amount of balance of moisturizer in your hair. Makes it feel nice and soft. As you can see, baby girl is going crazy. So yeah. If you can, go ahead and try out this product.
Wait a minute, cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be, judging from my vibe, you can feel it.